In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a review Airbnb. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to rate, and how to write a clear, helpful review that future guests and hosts can rely on. First, open Airbnb in your web browser or launch the Airbnb app on your phone or tablet. Sign into your account so the platform can pull up your past reservations. From the main menu, head to Trips. This is where all your bookings live, and you'll only be able to review stays that are already completed. Find the stay you want to talk about and open it. On that page, look for the option labeled Leave a Review and select it to get started. You'll begin by giving ratings. Airbnb asks for scores in a few specific areas, and thinking about each one will help you be fair and consistent. For cleanliness, focus on how tidy the space was on arrival and whether linens, surfaces, and bathrooms felt freshly prepared. For accuracy, consider how closely the listing matched what you found in person, including photos, descriptions, and amenities. For communication, rate how responsive and helpful the host was before and during your stay. For location, think about safety, convenience, and how well the area fit the listing's description rather than whether it's your personal favorite spot in town. For check-in, reflect on how clear the instructions were and whether gaining access was smooth and on time. For value, weigh what you received against the price you paid, taking into account the space, amenities, and overall experience. Next, you'll write the review itself. Keep it honest, specific, and easy to read. Start with a brief summary of your stay, then touch on the most important points: cleanliness, host communication, the amenities you used or noticed, the location highlights or trade-offs, and your overall experience. Concrete examples help readers a lot. For instance, instead of saying great communication, you might note that the host replied within minutes and offered clear directions. Stay respectful and stick to facts you observed. Avoid sharing private details and focus on information that would help someone decide whether the place is right for them. When you're happy with what you've written and your ratings look accurate, click Submit to publish your review. That's it. Your thoughtful, balanced feedback helps improve the community and makes it easier for the next guest to book with confidence.